Good morning all of you. Audio video clear? Please mention. Welcome all of you to this lecture on pipes and cisterns. All of you mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. So today we are discussing pipes and cistern chapter. This is the continuation of work and time chapter. Yesterday work and time I have given some homework. Towards the end of the class I will discuss few of them if time allows, and I hope we will get time after this pipes and cistern discussion. And the idea you learned in previous chapter, work and time chapter idea is very needed in this chapter. Pipes and cistern chapter learn करने के लिए work and time chapter clear होना चाहिए. So for the new people, this is the full length course for GATE General Aptitude for 2023 GATE exam, and this is not only useful for GATE exam, it is useful for other competitive exams also. So invite all your friends. ये course सारा GATE streams के लिए common है. सारा GATE streams means engineering streams, pure science streams, all streams this course is common. ये 29 streams का GATE General Aptitude same है. So invite all your friends who are preparing for any of the GATE exam to attend this session live or recorded. For the new people, this is the bio of me, and this is the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group where you can get more resources, and there is a dedicated Telegram channel for this course. In the description of this video you can get the link for that Telegram channel also, and other free resources link also is given in the description of this video. So this is the book I have written for General Aptitude section for CSIR-NET, which is currently the bestseller book, and this is a complete schedule of this course. So we have already completed 12 lectures, and today is the 13th lecture, and the topic is pipes and cisterns. So let us start. Pipes and cistern is an extension of work and time chapter itself, as I have discussed yesterday. Work and time chapter में idea क्या था? I taught you two major methods, LCM method and unitary approach, and efficiency approach also I have briefly mentioned. So that those ideas are needed to do this question also. So all of you invite your friends, let more people join. Yeah, normally Monday to Friday is a class, but Saturday Sunday class will be there. In case in any other day I could not take class, tomorrow I will not be taking class, that is why I am taking class on Sunday. So invite all your friends, those who are not aware that the lecture started also, please share this link to them very fast. So pipe and cistern का idea work and time का same idea है, एक ही difference है, यहाँ पे negative work भी possible है. Negative work, what is negative work I will tell you, क्योंकि normally एक work करने वक्त people or objects will try to do positive work. If a machine is doing work, it will do positive work only, but here it can be negative work also. What is negative work? Yeah, these basic facts, like total work 1 है तो 1 day work will be 1 by n if n days are there, and if 1 by n is the 1 day work, total work can be completed in n days, and total man hours, those ideas and all is mentioned here. This is actually the efficiency approach. So other things you can read it later. So in pipes and cistern, extending the idea of work and time, in pipes and cisterns the negative work is involved because we are trying to fill or empty a tank. We will think about the case when we are trying to fill the tank first. ऐसा एक tank या cistern, tank cistern दोनों same है, tank या cistern है तो okay आयुषी, thank you all of you. एक tank fill करना है तो वो फिल करने के लिए एक पाइप या 2 पाइप या 3 पाइप हो सकता है, लेकिन ये पाइप का एक आउटलेट पाइप भी हो सकता है ना, from where you are taking water. That means with respect to filling the tank, the outlet pipe is doing a negative work. Are you all understanding negative work how? क्योंकि inlet pipes, 1 pipe or 2 pipe or 3 pipe, that is trying to fill the tank, लेकिन ये आउटलेट पाइप उसका एक्सैक्ट ऑपोजिट कर रहा है, एक्सैक्ट ऑपोजिट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू फिलिंग द टैंक as द वर्क. फिलिंग द टैंक वर्क है तो आउटलेट पाइप नेगेटिव वर्क कर रहा है ना. So that is the idea of negative work. I hope all of you understood what is negative work. ये outlet pipe भी हो सकता है. It can be a hole. It can be a hole in the tank. That hole also is doing negative work with respect to filling the tank, na? And let me tell you one thing. ये negative, positive, ये सब relative है. Filling the tank का perspective में outlet pipe is doing negative work. लेकिन emptying the tank भी work हो सकता है. एक totally filled tank empty करना है तो the outlet pipe is doing the positive work, but the inlet pipes are doing negative work. So according to the situation, you should understand which is the positive work and which is the negative work. Yes, Risky. So I hope that much is clear. Now I will show you a question, sample question, to make you understand this concept in detail. All of you make a try. What I taught you yesterday in the work and time chapter, same theory try to apply. But negative work also will be there. So with that, please try it. I will give you a timer also, so that you can understand how much time you are taking. Two and a half minutes to try, as it is the first question. Please try it, all of you. Some of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. $50 remaining. All of you try. Okay, so two pipes can fill a cistern. Cistern means a large tank. Cistern in 3 hours and 4 hours respectively. And a waste pipe can empty it in 2 hours. So that means there is 2 inlet pipes. There are 2 inlet pipes here. ये pipe 1 भी inlet pipe है, pipe 2 भी inlet pipe है. ऐसा 2 pipes है you can think about. और एक waste pipe है, that is the outlet pipe, that is doing negative work because all the 3 pipe are trying to fill the tank. तीनों fill करना try कर रहा है. So I will call A, B, C. I will call pipe A, pipe B and pipe C. Pipe A कितना काम करेगा? So here also you can use unitary approach or LCM approach. I will show you both. I am not repeating what is unitary approach and LCM approach. Yesterday we have discussed in detail. So unitary approach से very fast I will explain. Unitary approach and LCM method both we will simultaneously do, no problem. Unitary method total work को हम क्या assume करेगा? 1. LCM method है तो total work को हम क्या assume करेगा? 3, 3 and 2, 3, 4 and 2 का LCM. यहाँ पे 3 work है ना, so 3, 4 and 2 का LCM लेना है, that is 12. LCM of 3, 4 and 2 will be 12 ना. So अभी फर्स्ट पाइप ए पाइप का वर्क क्या होगा, टोटल वर्क 1 का 1/3 करेगा ना, 3 आवर में पूरा काम करेगा, तो 1 आवर में 1 आउट ऑफ 3 काम करेगा. लाइक पिज्जा एग्जांपल आई टोल्ड यू, 1 आवर में फुल पिज्जा, 3 आवर में फुल पिज्जा खा सकता है. सो 1 आवर में कितना वर्क, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू. 3 आवर में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है. सो 1 आवर में 1/3 ऑफ द पिज्जा को 3 इक्वल पार्ट कट करके 1 आउट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स खा सकता है 1 आवर में. सिमिलरली बी 4 आवर में पूरा, सो 1 आवर में 1/4 ऑफ द पिज्जा खा सकता है. सिमिलरली पाइप सी, आई एम कॉलिंग द वेस्ट पाइप एज पाइप सी, 2 आवर में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है. सो 1 आवर में 1/2 पिज्जा, बट दैट इज नेगेटिव वर्क हियर बिकॉज इट इज डूइंग अगेंस्ट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ फिलिंग द टैंक. ऑल क्लियर. अभी 1 आवर में ये तीनों एक साथ वर्क करना, मतलब ए बी और सी तीनों वर्क करना है. दैट इज 1/3 प्लस 1/4 प्लस माइनस 1/2. डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड वाई प्लस माइनस 1/2? ये दोनों फिल करना ट्राई कर रहा है, ये तीसरा पाइप एम्प्टी करना ट्राई कर रहा है. सो नेगेटिव वर्क. सो LCM 12, दिस विल बी 4 प्लस 3 प्लस 6, 4 प्लस 3 प्लस 6, sorry 3 minus 6, 4 plus 3 minus 6, that is 1/12. मतलब 1 आवर में 1/12 वर्क कर सकता है, 1 आवर में 1/12. सो 12 आवर में पूरा काम कर सकता है ना. सो 12 आवर विल बी द आंसर. जस्ट लाइक यस्टरडेज थियरी, सेम थिंग इटसेल्फ. 1/12 वर्क मतलब क्या है, एक पिज्जा को 12 इक्वल पार्ट कट करके उसका 1 आउट ऑफ 12 पार्ट्स खा सकता है, 1 पीस खा सकता है 12 में से 1 आवर में, ये तीनों मिला के. सो 12 ऐसा आवर्स चाहिए ना, ऑल द पिज्जा, फुल पिज्जा खाने के लिए. दैट इज वाई 12 आवर इज द आंसर यूजिंग यूनिटरी मेथड. सेम क्वेश्चन कैन बी डन विथ LCM मेथड ऑल्सो. हाउ? टोटल वर्क LCM ऑफ 3, 4 and 2 अस्यूम किया. सो 1 आवर में ए विल डू हाउ मच वर्क, 12 का 1/3, 3 आवर में 12, सो 1 आवर में 1/3 ऑफ 12, 1/3 ऑफ 12 is 4, and B will do how much work? Pipe B, sorry, first is 3, second is 1/4 of 12, 1/4 of 12 is 3, and C will do negative work, half of 12 minus 6 minus half of 12. सो 1 आवर में ये तीनों मिला के क्या करेगा, A plus B plus C, that is 4 plus 3 minus 6, 4 plus 3 plus minus 6, that is 1 work. 1 work in 1 hour. So 12 work करने के लिए 12 hour चाहिए ना. Yeah, LCM approach will avoid the fraction part. Did you all understood this now? Please respond. That is how to do pipes and cistern problem. As I told, this is nothing but work and time problem itself. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव वर्क भी इन्वॉल्व है, दैट्स ओनली डिफरेंस. ऑल क्लियर. द वर्क डन इज स्पेसिफिकली एम्प्टीइंग द टैंक और फिलिंग द टैंक. सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई विल गिव यू सो दैट यू विल गेट मोर कॉन्फिडेंस. सो ट्राई दिस सुपर फास्ट. सॉरी, दिस वन वाज डन ना. Yeah, try this. Little different from previous one. All of you try this. And also, if you are watching this session live or recorded, do hit the like button. That will be a very big help for this video to reach to more people. This is a full length course. I will try my maximum to give you maximum quality content. But do support this initiative by hitting the like button and sharing this video to maximum people and commenting on the video. Thank you, Lara. All of you take an initiative to spread these videos or spread this course to maximum people. The playlist link is also there in the description of this video. You can copy that playlist link also so that everyone can watch all the videos in this playlist. It's all about reading the question properly. Carefully read the question. Okay, so I'll explain. As I told, instead of mugging up formula and techniques, try to get understanding of the question and solve it. That is more important. A tap can fill a tank in 6 hours. मतलब टोटल वर्क 1 है तो 1/6 वर्क 1 hour में कर सकता है. आफ्टर हाफ द टैंक इज फिल्ड, मतलब फॉर द फर्स्ट half of the tank to be filled, till then only this tap is working. Only this first tap, I will call the first tap A. A tap का 1 hour work 1/6 होगा ना. I am directly writing 1/6 because we have discussed a lot of times. Total work 1 unitary method ही use कर रहा है because there is no multiple tanks, multiple taps initially ना. So first tap का नाम A है तो 1 hour में वो 1/6 काम करेगा. 1 hour में 1/6 काम करेगा. 6 hour में पूरा काम कर सकता है only if that tap was working. So पूरा काम करने के लिए 6 hour लगेगा. So आधा काम करने के लिए half the tank fill means आधा काम, like half the pizza eating. Full pizza eat करने के लिए 6 hour लगेगा तो half pizza eat करने के लिए 3 hour लगेगा ना. Are you understanding that? 3 hour लगेगा मतलब half the tank filled means already 3 hour is completed. Please keep that in mind. 3 hour already completed. Only A was working then. Only A was working for that first 3 hour. That part we set aside. Now the remaining. Now after half the tank is filled, ये full tank है तो ये already half tank fill किया, इसके लिए 3 hour लेगा. अभी ये बाकी टैंक फिल करने के लिए डेफिनेटली 3 hour लगेगा. ओनली इफ टैप ए इज वर्किंग, ओनली टैप ए इज वर्किंग. लेकिन बी सी डी 3 more टैप इंस्टॉल कर रहा है. 3 more सिमिलर टैप्स आर ओपन्ड. सिमिलर टैप्स है, सो वो सबका एफिशिएंसी 1/6 होगा ना. 1 hour में 1/6 काम कर सकता है. सो ये चारों एक साथ ओपन किया मतलब टोटल 4/6 काम कर सकता है 1 hour में. ऑल द 4 टैप टुगेदर बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग टुगेदर ना. देयर इज नो लीक, देयर इज नो नेगेटिव वर्क, देयर इज नो आउटलेट पाइप. ये सब इनलेट पाइप्स है. सो 4/6 काम इन 1 hour. ऐसा कितना hours चाहिए? I will assume let x be the hours needed, remaining hours needed. Keep it in mind, remaining hours needed, because first 3 hour A alone was working na. ABCD is working only for the remaining x hours. So half tank fill करने के बाद remaining hours x assume किया तो 4/6 into x will be equal to what? Is it equal to 1? No, it is only equal to half. टोटल वर्क 1 का आधा ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट किया. अभी रिमाइनिंग आधा के बारे में हम डिस्कस कर रहा है. सो 4/6 इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू हाफ. एक्स इक्वल टू 4/6 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 6/8 होगा. दैट इज 3/4. 3/4 hours. X is the hours needed to complete the remaining half work. So that is 3/4 hours. लेकिन आंसर मिनट्स में है. So 3/4 hours is how many minutes? 3/4 into 60. नहीं, ये तो ऐसा सोचो 1 hour 60 minutes है ना. So 3/4 of that will be 45 minutes. Otherwise, if you are not okay with that, 3/4 into 60 itself you multiply. Multiplying you will get 45 minutes. For 45 minutes is the extra time needed extra time needed for the remaining hours. So 3 hours for the first half, 45 minutes for the next half. So total time is 3 hours 45 minutes. Sabko clear hai ye? Yeah, we cannot just stick on to one type of problem only. Different ways question can come. So this is a very interesting way of question asking the pipe and cistern problem. All clear? So according to the situation, we need to make the solution. यहाँ पे आधा काम बचा है. That is why half I am writing. LCM approach भी possible है, but unitary method itself is fine. सबको clear है ये? Then we will see few gate exam questions itself so that you get more confidence, and homework questions I will give you after that. Gate 2019 problem, all of you try it please. 2022 also there was a gate exam problem from pipe and cisterns. Okay, try all of you. Thank you for the good words, Shivani. Thank you all of you for the good words and encouragement. Seeing your daily comments and suggestions is always a motivating thing. Please keep on doing it. Whatever suggestions, whatever you felt about each session, if possible, comment after the session. That will help me to understand how the course is going. That will help others also to understand how the course is going. Okay, so I'll explain. Some of you got the answer. Very good. An oil tank can be filled by pipe X in 5 hours, pipe Y in 4 hours, each pump working on its own. Pump or pipe, same idea itself. When the oil tank is full, so it is completely full, the drainage hole is open. The oil is drained in 20 hours. So that is the outlet pipe. If initially the tank was empty and someone started the two pumps together but left the drainage hole open, how many hours will it take for the tank to be filled? So filling the tank is the positive work here, and the drainage hole is open. So that is doing the negative work. Look at this. So there are two pipe X and Y which are inlet pipes. Outlet pipe is say Z. Outlet pipe name is not given, I will call it Z. So this is what the question is saying. 5 hours में pipe X fill करेगा, 4 hours में pipe Y fill करेगा, लेकिन 20 hours में pipe Z or the outlet pipe empty करेगा. So that is what is given in the question. So just like previous question, we can do it now. Previous means last to last question. The first example I have shown. Unitary method से ही करो. Due to lack of time, I am just showing the slide so that you can answer, you can see the solution very fast. Total work को 1 assume किया. Total work भी 1 unitary method. सो पाइप एक्स का 1 आवर वर्क कितना होगा 1/5, 5 आवर में पूरा पिज्जा खा सकता है, सो 1 आवर में वो पिज्जा का 1/5 खा सकता है, 5 पीस कट करके 1 पीस खा सकता है। पाइप वाई 1 आवर में पूरा पिज्जा, 4 आवर में पूरा पिज्जा, सो 1 आवर में 1/4 ऑफ द पिज्जा। Drainage hole, if you want, you can call Z. That is doing a negative work now. With respect to filling the tank, drainage hole is doing a negative work. If emptying the tank was the work, drainage hole will be doing the positive work. And the other two will be doing negative work. Here anyway negative work. Drainage hole is emptying the tank in 20 hours. So 20 hour में पूरा पिज्जा finish कर सकता है. So 1 hour में 1/20 of the pizza खा सकता है ना. So that is negative work. ये तीनों एक साथ वर्क कर रहा है, मतलब 1/5 plus 1/4 plus minus 1/20 will be the 1 hour work of them. 1 hour work of all these three together will be this. That when you simplify you will get 2/5. उसका मतलब क्या है, 2/5 of the tank can be filled in an hour. 2/5 of the tank can be filled in an hour. Logically भी think कर सकता है, 2/5 1 आवर में किया तो 4/5 2 आवर में कर सकता है, 5/5 किया तो पूरा टैंक फिल हो गया। उसके लिए 2 आवर और उसका आधा भी चाहिए ना। बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू लॉजिकली थिंक दैट, यू कैन जस्ट राइट द स्टेप लाइक दिस, लेट x be the hours needed to complete the work or completely fill the tank. So 2/5 in 1 hour, x hours में 2/5 into x, that will be the total work 1. 2/5 x equal to 1, simplify किया तो x 2.5 या 2.5 hours मिलेगा। Are you all understanding this 2.5 how? Thank you Vikash, thank you Ayushi. All of you clear? 2.50 or 2.5 how? Very simple now. This was asked in 2019 GATE exam. Then try this latest GATE exam problem, 2022 GATE exam problem. All of you try carefully here. Question, same idea itself, one extra thing they have added to make you think more. Same idea itself. All of you try. What is finally asked is different, so be careful. पूजा, नेट के लिए ये टॉपिक्स ऑलमोस्ट 90% सेम है, लेकिन यहाँ पे नेट का PYQs हम डिस्कस नहीं करेगा। नेट का PYQs या प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन के लिए मेरा फुल लेंथ कोर्स गेट अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म में अवेलेबल है, वो अटेंड कर सकता है। नहीं है तो मेरा यूट्यूब क्लासेस भी अवेलेबल है, जनरल एप्टीट्यूड विद क्रिस्टी वर्गीस। इफ यू सर्च you will get all the links of all my classes in different YouTube channels. Any answers? No one got any answers? Okay. Yeah, little tricky, na? What is asked is little tricky. So pipe P and Q fill a storage tank in full with water in 10 and 6 minutes. Hours ka jagah minutes hai, that is not a problem at all. Minutes mein one minute ka socho. Pipe R draws the water out of the storage tank at a rate of 34 liters per minute. So 1 minute में 34 liters. 1 minute में 34 liters. So मतलब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? पाइप आर कितना मिनट्स चाहिए पाइप आर को पूरा एम्प्टी करने के लिए या ड्रॉ करने के लिए, पूरा वाटर ड्रॉ करने के लिए पाइप आर के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा? वो टाइम 34 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर मिलेगा ना. 1 मिनट में 34 लीटर. So x minutes, y minutes, let us assume y be the minutes needed. Y be the minutes needed. So y minute में 34 into y, you can find 34 into y. Are you all understanding that? Please respond. Just a minute. Okay. So, just like previous question, we will take 1 hour work itself, sorry 1 minute work, because here everything is in 1 minute, in minute. Let total work equal to 1. मैं assume कर रहा है total work 1 है. Total work 1 है तो पाइप P कितना वर्क करेगा 1 मिनट में? 1 मिनट में पाइप P करेगा 1/10 वर्क. पाइप Q करेगा 1/6 वर्क. 1/10, 1/6 work. Are you all understanding 1/10 and 1/6 how? And pipe R कितना काम करेगा वो हमें पता नहीं है. That is what we need to find. That is what we need to find. So let y minutes are needed. Yeah, here there is one more problem. Capacity of the storage tank is the answer ना. उसको मैं x assume कर रहा है. Let x be the capacity of the storage tank. ये storage tank में x liter water है. Total capacity x liter है. So and y be the, let y be the time taken by R to empty the tank. To empty tank. So that means 1 by y will be the negative work, or minus 1 by y will be the work done by R in 1 minute na. Let y minutes be the time taken by R to completely empty the tank. So 1 by y negative work will be the work done by R. With respect to filling the tank, it will be 1 minus 1 by y. मतलब 1 minute में ये तीनों मिला के कितना काम करेगा? 1/10 plus 1/6 plus minus 1 by y. And question says that total work of P and Q and R is given in the question. It takes 1 hour completely to empty the storage tank. That means 1/60 minutes. 1 hour na? 1 hour means 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is taken for completely emptying the tank. So 1 minute work will be 1/60. Are you all understanding 1/60 how? So this equation if you solve, you will get the value of y. वो y value ये rate से multiply किया तो answer भी मिलेगा. I will show you that. So simplify किया तो 1 by y is equal to, one second, did I make a mistake in the calculation? Just a minute. Yeah, correct only. So LCM will be 60 itself. 6 plus 10 minus 1. Just a minute. Sorry. 1 hour is the time to fully empty the tank na. So this will be 1/60 negative work only. It is not filling time. emptying the tank के लिए 1/60. We are writing it everything in terms of filling the tank ना. Filling the tank positive work assume किया तो emptying the tank is the negative work. So R भी negative work कर रहा है और ये total time given is for emptying the tank. So it will be minus 1/60. Minus 1/60 means minus taken to this side, it will be plus 1/60. So this will be plus 1 and minus 1/y you can take to the other side. That will be plus 1/y. That is 17/60 is equal to 1/y. How many of you understood this much? Please respond. How many of you understood this much? All of you respond. 17/60 equal to 1/y. इतना clear है या नहीं? 17/60 is equal to 1/y. What is y? Y is the minutes taken by R alone to empty the tank. Y is the minutes taken by R alone to empty the tank. So that means y is equal to 60/17. 60/17 minutes are needed. इससे y फाइन करके 60/17 minutes are needed for R to empty the tank. अभी ये क्वेश्चन का इनिशियल पार्ट रीड करो. क्वेश्चन का इनिशियल पार्ट क्या था? क्वेश्चन का इनिशियल पार्ट में लिखा है Pipe R draws the water from the storage tank at a rate of 34 liters per minute. मतलब 1 minute दिया तो 34 लीटर ड्रॉ करेगा. 1 minute दिया तो Where's the screen? 1 minute दिया तो 34 liters. 1 minute दिया तो 34 liters means we found 60/17 minutes totally it is taking na. 60/17 totally it takes. So 60/17 into 34 will be the total capacity of the tank na. If R is working alone 34 minutes चाहिए, 34 liters per minute empty कर सकता है और total 60/17 minutes R is taking. 1 minute में 34 liters. So 60/17 minutes में 60/17 into 34 liters ना, उसको simplify किया तो 120 minutes मिलेगा. So 120 minutes is the answer. How many of you understood it? Yeah, they have not asked the question straightforward. They have used that right idea also to confuse you more. लेकिन question clearly understand किया तो easy ही है. This was a latest GATE exam problem. You can check out the solution also. In the solution there is one mistake. Here actually I have taken everything in terms of x minute, x capacity. ऐसा भी कर सकता है. Both are same itself. Finally that x anyway will cancel. This should be 1/y. 1/y. So this is also 1/y. 1/y है, so y का वैल्यू फाइन करके मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता है फाइनल स्टेप. I hope it is clear. Okay. Those of you have doubt, I will summarize one more time. Listen very carefully. I will reduce the font size so that in one single slide you can see that. Just a minute. Listen very carefully. I will summarize one more time as it is the latest GATE exam question. Pipe P and Q and R. There are three pipe P and Q and R. P क्या कर रहा है? P trying to fill the tank. Q का क्या कर रहा है? Q भी fill कर रहा है. R क्या कर रहा है? R is trying to empty the tank. So R is the pipe that is emptying the tank. That is the outlet pipe. Finally, question is asking what? If it takes 1 hour to completely empty the full storage tank with all pipes operating simultaneously, what is the capacity of the storage tank? ये storage tank का capacity हमें चाहिए. So मैं assume कर रहा है x liters is the capacity of the storage tank. ये storage tank में x capacity है. That is our required unknown x. लेकिन एक और unknown है ना, ये R कितना टाइम लग रहा है, R कितना टाइम लग रहा है R को ये एम्प्टी करने के लिए, वो तो हमें पता नहीं है. P कितना टाइम लग रहा है हमें पता है 10 मिनट्स. Q को कितना टाइम लग रहा है दैट भी पता है 6 मिनट्स, लेकिन R को कितना टाइम लग रहा है वो तो पता नहीं है, सो मैं अस्यूम कर रहा है वो y मिनट्स है. With respect to empty filling the tank, that is a negative work, so that means we can say minus y minutes with respect to filling the tank. Emptying the tank positive work किया तो ये दोनों negative होगा. That you can do your own way. Which is positive, which is negative in this question is totally relative. So हमें एक चीज anyway पता है, टोटल 1 आवर लगेगा. 1 आवर मीन 60 मिनट्स लगेगा टू कंप्लीटली एम्प्टी अ फुल स्टोरेज टैंक इफ ऑल द 3 पाइप्स आर वर्किंग टुगेदर. ऑल द 3 पाइप्स आर वर्किंग टुगेदर मीन्स P का वर्क भी, Q का वर्क भी, R का वर्क भी ना. ये तीनों मिला के 60 मिनट्स लगेगा. 60 मिनट्स. सो 1 मिनट वर्क कितना होगा? 1 मिनट यूनिटरी अप्रोच. 1 minute work, let total work be 1 itself. 1 minute work will be P का 10 minutes में पूरा काम, so 1 minute में 1/10 काम. Q का 6 minutes में पूरा काम, so 1 minute में 1/6 काम. R का y minutes लगेगा, that is what we assumed, so 1 minute में -1/5 negative work, -1/5 work. Q y minutes में पूरा काम, 1/y minutes में 1 मिनट काम मिलेगा ना, जस्ट लाइक ऑल प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो हमारा टोटल नेगेटिव वर्क मिलेगा. टोटल 60 मिनट्स लगेगा तो 1 मिनट में 1/60 काम करेगा ना. 1 मिनट में ये तीनों मिला के 1/60 काम करेगा. ये इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई, दैट इज नेगेटिव, क्योंकि ये दोनों पॉजिटिव लिया सर, बाकी दोनों नेगेटिव लेना पड़ेगा. ये दोनों नेगेटिव लिया तो ये दोनों पॉजिटिव ले सकता है, ऐसा भी कर सकता है, दोनों ओके है, दैट इज अप टू यू. But filling should be taken positive. Filling is taken positive means emptying should be negative. Emptying is taken positive means filling should be negative. That please don't mismatch and get a wrong answer. Anyway, इसको solve किया तो y एक साइड में लेके solve किया तो finally y का वैल्यू 1/y का वैल्यू 17/60 मिलेगा. 1/y 17/60, 1/y 17/60 है तो y 60/17 होगा. 60/17. To give you more perspectives, I will tell you one more thing. ये 60/17 को convert करिए. Convert नहीं करना है इसलिए आंसर मिलने के लिए, but to give you understanding what is happening. 60/17 means what? 17 into 3 is 51. That is 3 and 9/17. 3 and 9/17. Na? That means 3 minutes. 9/17 is almost half. That means 3.5 minutes approximately is needed. 3.5 minutes approximately is needed for R alone to completely empty this tank. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में लिखा है 34 liters per minute it can draw. मतलब rate at which it is emptying the tank is 1 minute में 34 liters. ये 3.5 minutes ना, 3.5 minutes में कितना liters? 3.5 into 34 होगा ना. 1 मिनट में 34 लीटर्स ड्रॉ कर सकता है या एम्प्टी कर सकता है. सो 3.5 मिनट्स में 3.5 into 34. लेकिन एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट 3.5 ना, वो मैं प्रैक्टिकली अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.5 बताया. ये 60/17 मिनट्स इंटू 34 लीटर्स, हर मिनट में 34, so 60/17 मिनट्स में 60/17 into 34. 60/17 into 34 when you multiply it you will get 120 minutes. सबको क्लियर है 120 मिनट्स कैसा मिला? All of you understood? That is how to do that question. Latest GATE exam problem. If so, try this question, GATE 2019 problem. All of you try. 2.5 minutes to try. Here you have to step by step think about it. Idea is same but multiple time intervals are given. Any answers? Yeah, little tricky, na? Tricky because the question is framed in a complicated way, but the ideas are all the same itself. Okay. So listen very carefully, those of you who haven't got it. Most of you didn't get it, I guess. So I will explain, don't worry. Two pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 6 hours and 9 hours respectively, while a third pipe R can empty the tank in 12 hours. So positive work and negative work both are there. Two pipe are filling, P and Q are filling, and the third pipe is emptying, R is emptying, just like previous question. So P का रेट, Q का रेट, R का रेट तीनों दिया है, लेकिन P, Q, R simultaneously nahi, they are working in pairs initially. Let's see. So this is what the question is saying. P filling in 6 hours, Q filling in 9 hours, R emptying in 12 hours means 1 hour work I can directly write now. Now I don't think I have to repeat all the time why I am writing 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 12. Total work को 1 assume करके 1 hour work pizza example का idea ही use कर रहा है. 1 by 6th of total 1, 1 by 9th of total 1, 1 by 12th of total 1, but that is negative work because this R is trying to empty the tank. That is minus 1 by 12 is the 1 hour work of R. So these three are clear now. Now look at the pattern mentioned in the question. Listen very carefully. 0th hour to 4th hour tak, 0 to 4 hours tak, only P and R is open now. P and R is open for the first 4 hours. P and R pipes are open. That means P and R's rate we need to analyze. P and R's rate is what? P will work at 1 by 6 and Q will work as minus 1 by 12. So adding it, 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the work done by them in every hour. P and R partnership में 1 by 12 वर्क कर सकता है. ऐसा 4 hours वो वर्क कर रहा है ना. So 4 times 1 by 12, 1 by 3 will be the work done by them in the first 4 hours. उसका मतलब क्या है? 1/3 of the total pipe is total work is completed, or 1/3 of the total tank is filled. We are trying to fill the tank, that is the work to be done na. So 1/3 of that work is done. Tank का 1/3 fill हो गया. 30 liters है तो 10 liters fill हो गया. ये clear है? Now listen very carefully. After that what is happening? I will denote by this green color now. After 4th hour, P is closed and Q is opened. मतलब 4th hour से P closed है लेकिन Q open है. मतलब R is remaining the same. R was opened earlier also, it is opened now also, because question is only saying, question सिर्फ ये कह रहा है P close किया लेकिन R close नहीं किया. R open था, अभी भी open है, लेकिन Q को open किया. मतलब अभी Q and R एक साथ वर्क कर रहा है. फर्स्ट 4 hour P and R वर्क कर रहा था, अभी Q and R वर्क कर रहा है 4th hour से. 4th hour से कितना hour तक? After 6 more hours. मतलब for the next 6 more hours Q and R were together. मतलब 4th hour से 6 more hours means 4 plus 6, 10 hour तक. 4th hour to 10th hour Q and R are together. Q and R pipes are together opened. Q and R pipes are open together. Is that clear? Q and R pipes are open together means Q का efficiency 1 by 9 पता है, R का efficiency minus 1 by 12. ये दोनों add किया तो 1 by 36 work है for 1 hour. That is 1 hour work of Q and R. So 6 hour work of Q and R will be 6 times 1 by 36. That is 1 by 6. मतलब tank का 1 by 6 portion also it is covering now. 1 by 6th of the portion also is covered now. Is that clear or not? Now what is happening? Listen very carefully. Okay, before that I'll do one thing, an easy way I will tell you. 1 by 3, 1 by 6, matlab already how much of the total work is done? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, that is 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 3 by 6 when you take LCM. That is half. Matlab half the tank is filled. That is the meaning. 4 hours, then 6 hours. That is first 10 hours में P&R partnership, Q&R partnership मिला के 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 2 work will be completed. 1 by 2 of the total tank is filled. That's the meaning. That means half the tank is filled, half the tank is empty. Now only half the work is remaining. That is the meaning. Half the work is remaining. Now the question is asking, if half the work is remaining, now R is closed. R was open for the last 10 hours. But now R is closed. Matlab Q is not closed. That's the meaning. R is closed, but Q is not closed. So only Q is open. That is the meaning. Na? R is closed. No other tap is open now. Already open Q tap is still working. Only Q tap was working. Efficiency of Q tap is 1 by 9. Na? Efficiency of Q tap is 1 by 9 mentioned in the question. 9 hours mein pura kaam. So 1 hour mein 1 by 9 kaam. So 1 by 9 kaam wala 1 by 9 kaam wala Q tap is open. Let Y be the hours, remaining hours. So Y into 1 by 9 should be equal to this remaining half. Na? This half completed. So what is remaining? 1 minus half itself. That is Y is equal to 9 by 2. That is a shortcut. Otherwise you can do this way and then simplify also. But the easy way I will suggest you is, directly you can say, ये दोनों मिला के आधा कंप्लीट हो गया. आधा कंप्लीट हो गया तो 1 माइनस आधा, आधा बाकी है, आधा बचा है. आधा पिज्जा खाया, सो आधा पिज्जा बचा है ना. वो आधा पिज्जा खाने के लिए 1 by 9 वर्क में ये पर्सन 1 आवर में 1 by 9 पीस खा सकता है. सो कितना आवर्स चाहिए? Y आवर्स चाहिए. तो Y into 1 by 9 is 1 by 2. Y into 1 by 9 is 1 by 2. Here what I have done is X into 1 by 9 is the work done by them. Then you can add all these three to get total work 1. और उसके बाद उसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो भी आंसर मिलेगा. बट दैट विल टेक मोर टाइम. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू ये सेपरेट दीज टू. ऑलरेडी वी नो द वैल्यूज ना. उसको सिंप्लीफाई करके उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट व्हाट इज रिमाइनिंग, दैट रिमाइनिंग वर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए y ओवर लगा तो y into 1 by 9 is 1 by 2. उसको सॉल्व किया तो 4.5 hours. So 4.5 is not the answer. Question is asking total time taken ना. Already 10 hour completed. Now 4.5 hours more. So 14.5 is the final answer. All clear? 14.5 how? That is how option B is the correct answer. 14.5 will be the correct answer. Please respond all of you. Is this clear or not? That is how to do pipe and cistern problems. I'll give you few homework questions today in the Telegram channel. I will upload in the description of this video. The dedicated Telegram channel is mentioned, and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming classes, and please share it to maximum people. Yeah, work and time. I was planning, if time allows, to discuss 1 or 2 work and time problem. I think that we will do on another class. Hope you have tried that work and time problems. I have given homework. Did you try? Some of them were complicated, I know, but if you have tried, it will be easy for me to help you out. Please respond the things I have taught you. Is it clear or not? Last वाला x by 9 नहीं. हाँ, x by 9 नहीं चाहिए मुस्कान. मैंने वो दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव दिया है ना, वो थोड़ा और इजी होगा. ये क्वेश्चन भी प्रैक्टिस करिए, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. यहाँ पे टाइम का एस्पेक्ट भी है, but same idea itself. Okay, we'll do this question also. Then we will complete today's session. Try this question super fast. This is somewhat similar to the previous question.
from laptop domain 5 TB.
So the dedicated Telegram channel for GATE, the link is tagged in the chat. Those of you haven't joined it, you can join it. That is where you will get daily free study materials, daily homework questions, everything you will get from there. Yeah, one more thing, in the previous question, you can also use the LCM approach. Even in this question also, if you want, you can use the LCM approach. LCM approach, as I told in the work and time chapter, it is an approach which helps you to avoid fractions. If you fear fractions a lot, if simplification of fraction is complicated for you, then LCM approach you can use wherever possible. But as I told, LCM approach का limitation ये है, सारा question के लिए LCM approach use नहीं कर सकता. That's a problem with LCM approach. Okay, anyway, this question you can use LCM or unitary method. Even previous question also you could have taken the LCM. So as previous question I already explained with unitary method. ये question LCM method से explain करेगा, so that you get more practice of both the methods. Let total work be LCM of the individual works done by the 3 pipes. 2 pipes 15 and 12 hour respectively. So 15, 12 or 4. Negative work 4 है, उसका भी LCM ले लो. 4, 15, 12 and 4 का LCM. 15, 12 and 4 का LCM 60 होगा ना. 60 will be the LCM. So let 60 be the total work, like 60 chocolates I showed you yesterday. Let total 60 chocolates be there. So we need to eat 60 chocolates, that's the objective. But here negative work is also there. So 60 chocolate ka jagah, to make it more interesting, you can think like 60 liter. LCM approach use करने के लिए यहाँ पे directly relate कर सकता है tank से ना. You can consider let 60 liter be the total capacity of the tank. There are 3 pipes now. So pipe A, pipe B and pipe C I will call. All pipe Q, pipe P, pipe Q, pipe R. Just like previous question I will use the same terms P, Q, R. P का वर्क क्या है? 1 hour वर्क ऑफ P क्या होगा? P 15 hours में पूरा काम कर सकता है. So 1 hour में 1/15 of 60 liters. 1/15 of 60 liters means 4 liter water fill कर सकता है. For making the question interesting and relatable, I am relating it to the capacity of the tank. LCM approach ये chapter में use करने वक्त, that is one extra thing you can do. LCM you can relate to the total work will be total filling the tank ना. उसको filling the capacity of the tank is to be filled. So 60 liter भी the capacity ऐसा assume किया तो easy होगा analysis. So P का 1 hour work 4 liter होगा. Similarly Q का 1 hour work 12 hour में पूरा काम कर सकता है. 12 hour में पूरा काम कर सकता है. So 1 hour में 1/12 of 60 liter. 1/12 of 60 is 5 liter ना. 1/12 into 60. Yeah, your mental math skills helps. Check out my first 2-3 classes, fractions and fraction simplification, ratio, proportion, those percentages and fractions. That lectures please check, those of you haven't attended it. That is where I told you how to simplify fractions better. So similarly R negative work कर रहा है. क्या negative work? 4 hour में पूरा काम कर सकता है. So 4 hour में पूरा काम. So 1 hour में we are trying to fill the Question is asking emptying the tank. Emptying the tank hai to one thing you can do, you can consider these two as negative work and this as positive work. That will not change anything, let me tell you frankly. Emptying the tank positive liya to filling negative लेना है, filling positive है तो emptying negative होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे final objective emptying है ना, that is why that is what I am giving as positive work. So that will be 4 hours में पूरा 60 liter empty कर सकता है. So 1 hour में 1/4 of 60 liter 15 liter empty कर सकता है. So that is empty करना है positive work. So I have taken empty karna positive work. In all other questions we have taken the other way around, because in all other question filling the tank was the objective. यहाँ पे emptying the tank is the objective in the question. That is why I am taking accordingly. So मतलब ये तीनों मिला के 1 hour में ये तीनों मिला के 4 liter negative work, 5 liter ये increase करेगा, ये 15 liter decrease करेगा. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो टोटल 60 लीटर डिक्रीज करना है ना, बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू डिक्रीज इट. इफ यू आर नॉट ओके सीइंग दिस नेगेटिव इनिशियली, यू टेक दीज टू पॉजिटिव, दिस नेगेटिव, दिस ऑल्सो पॉजिटिव. दैट विल नॉट चेंज एनीथिंग ना, दैट इज लाइक मल्टीप्लाइंग -1 थ्रू आउट. सो एनीवे दिस इज द इक्वेशन. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो दिस इज द 1 hour वर्क. ऐसा कितना आवर्स चाहिए वो हमें पता नहीं है. सो लेट x बी द आवर्स. दिस इनटू x विल बी -60. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? दिस इनटू x, लेट x बी द आवर्स टेकन. Okay, now sorry, this will be the answer if every each of it was working together, but unfortunately that is not the question na. Question is asking the pipes are opened in different times. Pipes are opened in different times. First 8 o'clock only first pipe is opened, P pipe is opened. That means you can think like this: 8 to 9, 8 a.m. to 9 only P is working. 9 to 10 P and Q is working. 11 onwards P, Q, R is working. Are you all understanding? 11 onwards how many hours we don't know. So let the remaining hours be x hours. ये x hours assume किया तो first 2 hours में क्या हुआ that we need to find ना. First hours में 4 लीटर का कमी हुआ क्योंकि P वर्क किया. Second hour में P and Q वर्क किया, so 9 लीटर का कमी हुआ, कमी नहीं इंक्रीज हुआ. So 4 liter plus 9 liter 13 liter already filled. ये टैंक में ऑलरेडी 13 लीटर है. So 13 लीटर है. Next P and Q and R are working for the next x hours. So first 10 o'clock, sorry, 9 to 10, sorry 9 to 11, sorry 9 a.m. Q is working. 9 to 11 P and Q are working na. 9 to 11. So that means it is not 9 liter. 9 into 9. Sorry, 9 plus 9. 18 liter they are working. 18 liter they are filling the tank. 18 liter filling the tank means total 22 liters they have filled already till 11 o'clock. Till 11 o'clock this is already 22 liter filled. All of you understood 22 liter filled why? Please respond. क्योंकि 8 to 9 only P was working. 9 o'clock Q also was open, P also is already open, just like previous question. 9 to 11 o'clock P and Q was working only, R was not working. R is the only person or only tank which is trying to empty the tank na. So बाकी दोनों tanks 22 liter already fill किया क्योंकि 4 liter 5 liter total 9 liter 2 hours में. So 18 liter already filled from 9 to 11. ये हो गया 4 लीटर, ये हो गया 18 लीटर. So total 22 liters already filled. Now 11 hours onwards what is happening? 4 liter from P, 5 liter from Q. Yeah, I'll do one thing. Just as most of the questions we have taken filling as positive and emptying as empty. We will not change that. That may confuse more people. So I will take emptying itself as the negative work. Even if we need to complete that negative work, we will take that as the negative work. So that means 4 liter, 18 liter, 22 liter already filled. Now P and Q working 9 liter they will fill, but R will empty 15 liters now. That means in effect 9 minus 5, 6 liter reduction will happen every hour. 6 liter reduction will happen every hour. Are you all understanding? 6 liter reduction will happen every hours. So initially the tank was empty. That is the assumption that you should start with. So 22 liter ko empty karna hai, that is the meaning. 6 liter har hour mein. So x into 6 liter equal to 22. Are you all understanding? X into 6 is 22 means x is equal to 22 by 6. That is 11 by 3. 11 by 3 hours more. 11 by 3 hours more it should work. 11 by 3 hours more means it will be 3 and 2 by 3 hours more. 3 and 2 by 3 hours more. 2 by 3 hours means you can convert it into minutes. 2 by 3 hours is 2 by 3 into 60. That is 40 minutes. 3 hour, 40 minutes more. That is the x hours. That means 11 o'clock say 3 hour 40 minutes. That is 12, 1, 2, 240 will be the answer. How many of you understood this? If you logically understand, it will become easier. Just like previous question, I have given an example to give you more clarity. You should be systematically understand the thing and then you should solve the question. That is a challenge in these kinds of questions. Once again, I am telling those of you missed the yesterday's lecture or work and time, please check that also. Then only you will get full clarity on pipe and cisterns. That is where I have taught logically how to approach work and time and pipe and cistern problem well. Sabko clear hai ye? Yes, Shivani, it was 9 to 11. Initially I wrote wrong, 9 to 10, it should be 9 to 11 only. Again, positive and negative, that should not be a confusion, let me tell you frankly. Ye filling negative liya to emptying positive hona chahiye, emptying negative liya to filling positive hona chahiye. That should be clear, that's the only thing. Is that clear all of you? So I think we can stop here. All two more gate questions I will show you. That is actually not same theory. This is actually a different theory. Don't worry too much about it, but try it. It was a very old question, 2010 gate exam question. It was. This was very simple. You can try yourself. You can directly do it. Either intuitively you can conclude it or directly also. I will give you the answer key and if possible solution also in the PDF I am uploading today evening in the Telegram channel tagged in the live chat. So if that is clear, let's conclude. I hope you got an overall idea what is pipe and cisterns and how to approach it. Practice more so that you get more confidence. And after the class, please comment on this video what you felt about the class. That will be a big motivation. Today the crowd is comparatively less. I don't know why. Maybe it is because Sunday and maybe some people didn't knew the lecture was there. So please share the video to maximum people. Yeah, most Sundays class won't be there, but when another day class was not taken, that Sunday class will be there. So tomorrow class will not be there. Tomorrow there will be a free class. Yeah, today 2 p.m. there is a practice session for GATE exam and CSIR-NET exam. That will be in the Unacademy platform. That also if you want to be part of, you can attend. That's a complete free class in the Unacademy mobile app. You can attend it. In my profile in CSIR-UGC NET category, you can find it. Yeah, if you want the details of my classes in Unacademy, I will share the link. Let me check if that details are here. So for CSIR-NET, if you want full-length courses, you can be part of the Unacademy Plus platform and attend. These are some of my courses in Unacademy Plus platform I will show you. That is only for CSIR-NET aspirants. This course is currently running. For GATE also I have uploaded many courses. Uska recording bhi dekh sakta hai. Ye practice course CSIR और GATE दोनों के लिए है. Normally ये प्लस प्लेटफॉर्म में होता है, लेकिन फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म में आज 2 PM क्लास होगा. दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन अटेंड. दिस इज ऑल्सो द फुल लेंथ कोर्स फॉर CSIR-NET exam. If you are preparing for CSIR-NET, 8:30 AM Monday to Friday I take class on this. This is for all science stream students preparing for upcoming NET exam. and for general aptitude, all theory previous year questions and practice questions will be discussed. And if you want to be part of this course, this is how you can take Unacademy Plus subscription and access this course and all other courses in Unacademy Plus platform. Subject and aptitude you can attend by following this process by one single subscription itself. So let me check any other doubts or anything. If not, we can conclude for today. Courses in Unacademy Plus platform. मुस्कान वहाँ पे CSIR के लिए ज़्यादा फोकस होगा, सो डेफिनेटली CSIR का टॉपिक ज़्यादा डिटेल डिस्कस होगा. गेट और CSIR का टॉपिक 90% नॉन वर्बल एबिलिटी कॉमन है, लेकिन वर्बल एबिलिटी नहीं है CSIR में. नॉन वर्बल एबिलिटी का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सारा वो प्लस कोर्स में फिनिश होगा, थियरी भी डिस्कस होगा. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Do like this video and share it to maximum people, and do invite your friends to the upcoming live classes. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.